Welcome to you in our YouTube channel English Speaking Course Shiroda, and today with me Nikita, Shambhala and Dhanashri, and today they will discuss here on one topic, and a very interesting topic I will give them. And first they will give their short introduction, and then we will start. Okay, hello, start to give your introduction.
Hello, my name is Nikita. I have completed 10th standard. I have completed here 2 weeks, and today we are discussing on very important and new topic.
Hello, my name is Shambhala Hodadekar. I have completed my 10th standard. I have completed here 2 weeks. Today I am discussing on one topic.
Hello friends, my name is Dhanasri Naik. I live in Malewad. I have completed 10th standard. I have completed here 2 weeks. Today I talk about one topic.
And as they told that they have completed here 2 weeks, so may they commit some mistakes, ignore their mistakes and cheer up them. And okay, listen here. Yesterday I was thinking about that. Nowadays you have also observed, nowadays parents are giving quick permission to their children for anything. So you have to discuss here, is it good or bad? Okay, or they give too much freedom. Okay, if children ask for anything, then they give suddenly, they give quickly this thing. So is it good or bad? Got it? What do you think, that is it good or bad? What do you think?
I think it is good, so I will talk about it is good or that's advantages of parents give permission to their children.
Means she's talking about, is it is good, so obviously you have to talk about the it is not good. Okay, it's a group discussion, so you have to talk properly, you have to talk here every sides. Got it? Understood? Yeah, okay, start to talk. Okay, make it a start.
I think today's modern parents give to permission to their children. It is good because that parent think we don't consume some things in our childhood. So that things should make child consume in his childhood. We can see the example. Some parents can't go for picnic in their childhood or in their school days. So so that parents think that my child should go for picnic, so that parents give permission for picnic. It helps to explore the world or acquire the new knowledge. So I think that permission is good to it helps to get some extra knowledge about the world or the other people's. We can get knowledge about others people behaviors, other rituals, or other people's tradition. So I think it is good that parents give to permission to their children.
Okay, means as she told that when parents when parents give permission, then for example picnic, so children go outside. Okay, so with this permission they learn new things. Am I right?
Yes.
Also they know how to survive, they can connect with people, they learn traditions, ritualities. Am I right or wrong?
Yes.
So in other way it is good. Means when parents give permission, then only they can go outside, they can learn so many things, they can learn life lesson things. Okay. Yes, tell you.
I think this is
Might
wrong.
be proper.
I think this is wrong because that's parents' behavior bad effects on the children's life. Sometimes children's obstinate to get anything. Children's quarrel with parents to get anything. So children's bad effects on life. Children don't get respect to their parents and other people's. Children don't take care of parents dreams, so they don't do hard work, they don't do study. So that's why children don't focus in their career. So career be we get success is very important in life. So children don't give importance of success.
Okay, means she's talking about when parents are giving permission. When parents give permission, so that's why what happen? Children, they don't understand the value of this freedom. Okay, sometimes they misuse of this freedom. Got it? Sometimes they misuse of money. They don't value about the money management, and it is a very bad impact on their future life, present life also, as well as future life.
I completely agree to your sentence that some children misuse of this opportunity, but it also have the other side. We can see in our society some parents give to permission to their children, and their children also know how to survive, how to use that opportunity. We can see we can see some children didn't take misuse of this opportunity. Some children make this opportunity, turn this opportunity in golden opportunity. uh, uh, Actually, I yesterday I saw my friends parents are very serious about her career, so they don't give so they don't give permission to her to go for picnic. I think this is wrong. I think this is wrong. Parents should give permission to their children to do whatever they want, but they also know what will his or her, what will their children do, what will children desire in their future. um, their children also know about their career, or their children are also focused about their career. They will take decision very firmly, but parents should be believe on that children, that my children is working on the good path, so he will or she will not take the wrong decision. He will always walk on good path.
Okay, means actually told that in our society, we can see exception are always there. Okay, all are not taking misuse of this freedom. Okay, all children are not taking misuse of this freedom, but some are turn into this golden opportunity. Okay, means they know how to behave, how to survive our life. Okay, and parent should focus the children. It he or she should be a all rounder. He must be activate in every field, like singing, dancing, playing, as well as study. Got it? Study is important, but other qualities are there: dancing, singing, music, playing. So parents should push him or her in this activity, not only study but also in other field. Yeah.
I think this is a wrong. Nowadays, children are very obstinate. They don't give respect to their parents. They do not focus on their study. They do not fear on their parents. Uh, in present time, they do not save money, so he can't manage money. So it is wrong. Um,
Parents are giving permission.
Parents are giving to permission their children.
Okay, actually told that parents give permission, quick permission. That's why what happen, if children demand for money, then suddenly parents give money. So somehow what happen, they misuse. Sometimes they misuse, children misuse, and they don't know how to manage money, how to save money. Okay, sometimes they talk badly. They use abusing words front of the parents. So it is bad. Am I right?
Yes.
We can see in our society some parents are very obstinate to their children, that you have to studies, you don't need to focus uh, on games like cricket, football, or any curricular activities like dancing, playing. music, uh, and many more. So some parents are very obstinate to their children that you have to do always study. You don't need to to do these curricular activities. So it affects very badly to their children's mind. The child thinks that my parents are not giving permission to me to complete my own to complete my own habit. So it helps to demolish the child's mind. So I think parents give permission that new activities or new things whatever the children want to do. They if they give permission to do new activities, it will help to become a new child, a new birth of the child, or the new birth of their new ideas. Like we can see a new example. If Sachin Tendulkar's father doesn't give the permission to play him cricket, so we don't know who is in today we don't know about who was the Sachin Tendulkar. So his parents give permission to him to play cricket. So that's why he became a world's best cricketer. We can see we can speak him to a god of cricket. So if his parents doesn't give permission to him, so we can't knew about the god of cricket. So that's why I think parents give permission to do new curricular activities.
Okay. Mr. Sachin Tendulkar, okay, we should give respect, and parents don't, not doesn't, don't. Okay, as she told that sometimes what happen we can see parents pressurize. Some parents pressurize to their children for studying. They are not pushing them in other activities, so it is not good for them. Parents should concentrate in other activities also. Which quality he has or she has. Am I right or wrong?
Yes.
And parents should push him or her in these particular activities as well as study.
In small age, parents give their children's bike, so this is very risky for life. Sometimes do accident, so children lost their life and also their physical health. So their family go to the bad days. They face a very bad time. So this is very bad for their family and also children's. Sometime in small age, parents give mobile to children. So children see bad videos in the mobile. They playing game, so they don't concentrate in the study. They don't focus in study. So children's have don't study important in life. They don't give importance of education. So they don't like do study. It is very wrong.
Okay, in small age when they get bike and money, mobile, yeah. So that's why what happened, they are not concentrating on study. Exception are always there. I told you before that some children are taking good way also that things, but some children they don't know how to use that, they misuse. And as she told that sometimes they are lost their physical health by riding a high speed bike and using the mobile in means there are so many advantages of mobile, but nowadays students are more addicted towards the mobiles, and they learn so many bad things in the mobile. There are lots of good informations are there, but they are not, some students are not watching this.
Yeah, yes, I completely agree to your sentence. Some people, but I think some children take useful inform. Some children collect the useful information from the mobile, like they do their work on mobile, or they do their studies on the mobile. actually the mobile helped us in lockdown era of or the corona era. Some, not only some but also all children have their studies on mobile. So mobile or social media apps help to are help for the parents as well as the children. I agree to your point that some children misuse of the mobile, but some not all children misuse of mobile. Some children usefully use the mobiles, like they see the videos of new topics or new information about thermodynamics or many more. They do their studies on mobile. So I don't think that mobile don't have many disadvantages. It have advantages, but it depends on us that how we use mobile and how many time we use mobile.
Yeah, okay. It depend on us how we are using or how can we use. Okay, mobiles. Yeah, and in Corona pandemic, yes, it was very useful. Okay, all the world was going on through the social media. Okay, yes.
In working days, children are depends on their parent. They don't do hard work. Uh, uh, he don't know. They don't know hard work is the key of success. They do not serious on their life. They don't maintain discipline front of parents. It is a wrong. The parents give to permission nowadays children.
Yes, I agree to your point that some children use abusing word. They are talking lie with their parents. I agree, but it is the effect of it will be a effect of their friends or the society of whatever of the society in which
Polluted. That's why
uh,
atmosphere will be polluted.
that's why our atmosphere will be polluted. So I think the parents should have attention on their childrens, that what are the childrens doing. But this is right that parents not give too permission to their children. But sometimes if they give permission to their children, so it will help to become the child's career. In giving permission, too many permission in small age, it helps to build a new and good career for the child. uh, some children learn in small age that how to build a career or how to become successful. So parents permission helps to become a good career. So that's why I think parents give a permission to their children.
Yes, yes, you told. Yes, you tell me. Then after you tell, huh?
Sometime we can see in our society
Mic take.
we can see in our society children go to bad road. They have bad habits, children are do smoking, drinking. So this is very harmful for life and for family. So they that's why not good. Children go to parties. They spend time for their friends. They don't spend time in our family. So that is wrong, because family is our first priority. So we can spend our time in the family. Family is very important in our life. So uh, uh, spend time in the friends, it is good, but always spend time in the family. Quick permission is not good. Parents
Shouldn't give
shouldn't give a quick
quick
permission
permission
to
to their
children's.
say something.
Children don't
Mic.
children don't know education.
How to behave
Children don't know how to behavior on our
with
with our parents. They don't focus on their education. uh, children don't know education is important of life, but some children's but some children's
Children's no, children.
but some children uh, but some children focus on their goal and success on their life.
Completed. Okay. Okay. You have completed here your 2 weeks. Then also you have talked here well. Okay. I That's why I really admiring you. Mostly I am admiring you, Nikita, because you have talked here well. Yes, you all were making some mistakes in preposition, pronunciation, to be verbs, but let it be. Till next video session, you will improve this. I hope. Okay, and I know. Okay, and I don't want these mistakes again. Got it? Okay, and I really and I cordially thank to you that you have participated in this video session, in this group discussion, and you have discussed here well. Okay, and thank you for watching this video.